Artoonza.
Robo Art Squad, assemble! Ever seen a robot this fabulous? Well, today's the day because we're drawing a glitter-powered, nail-polish-wearing, color-exploding Robo masterpiece.
Wow.
But wait, who gave this robot access to my mom nail polish? Please don't tell my mom. We've got markers, we've got glitter, we've got a tiny vacuum that thinks it's the star of the show.
Aww, so cute.
And acrylic paint injections? Yup, this robot's getting a full VIP makeover. Ready to unleash your inner artist and create a robot so cool it might just start charging rent.
Wow.
Give us your like. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color, Blue? Let's color together. Snowy white. Yellow. Red. This is so amazing. Black. Color, color, color.
Aww, so cute.
This robot is so fancy, I think it just asked me for a spa day. Yellow nail polish. Shh, never tell my mom. You know, it's serious art when nail polish gets involved. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. Oops! If anyone asks why there's nail polish everywhere, let's just say art happened. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. That's enough, blend a hand. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Shoo, go away. Don't be shy, color high.
Aww, so cute.
I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.